Hello, my name is Prichraj Bhatt from Mitanshi Technologies, and I'm back with another video like I had promised. Today I'll show you how to contact the Shopify support team. While using the Shopify store, it is obvious that you may find yourself stuck and you may require the assistance of the support team. Luckily for you, the Shopify support team is available 24/7 for you. Now let's see how to contact them. First things first, please log in to your Shopify account and click on the settings page at the left bottom side of the screen. The general page will open, scroll down, and you will see an option called Shopify Help Center. Click on the Get Help button. This is the Shopify Help Center. Click on the Browse Topics and you will see an array of topics that your query might be related to. For example, if I have some questions regarding payments, I can just click on this topic, payments, and I will see a step-by-step guide along with a YouTube video explaining to me how to handle payments. Also, you will see a number of sections regarding payments that I can go through one by one. If On the other side, if I don't want to go for topics but I want to directly address my question, I can click on the Ask Anything option over here and I can write my query. Say for example, I write theme customization and press the Enter option. The AI will generate an answer that can help me solve this issue. Say for example, if I am not happy with the solution provided by the AI and I want to talk to a live Shopify support executive, I just need to click on the Contact Us button. It will ask me, what help do I need? I'll again write theme customization and press enter. It will ask me if I want to chat with a support advisor. If I write yes and I choose the topic, I'll straight away be added in a queue to chat with a live support advisor. See how easy this is. Really, this is the simplest and most straightforward manner to contact a support team that I have ever seen. And kudos to Shopify for that. So this is how we can contact Shopify support. But there is another thing that I want to address. Say for example, if you have a technical issue and you need assistance, then you can also hire a Shopify expert who can help you in solving that technical problem. Let's go back to the previous tab where our settings page was open and you will see an option called Hire a Shopify Partner. Click on the button Hire a Partner and you will be redirected to a Shopify partner directory. This is the page where you can hire certified professionals and agencies who can help you in building, growing, and optimizing your Shopify store. I can search for the expert by giving the name of the partner, by the service that the partner provides, and the country that the partner is based in. Say, for example, if I write United States over here and click on it, I'll see a list of all the US-based agencies that can help me out. I can provide further filters by providing the price range, by the name of the service, the kind of partner, the industry, and also the language that the expert should know. Say for example, I like this profile and I click on it, I'll get all the information about this agency, the industry that it serves, the projects that this agency has made recently, and also the reviews that people have left. And if I want to contact this agency, it's simple. I can just click on the contact button over here. Additionally, I also want to show you that if you are looking for a particular technology solution for your online store, you can just scroll down and click on this browse option, and you will see a list of all agencies that provide technology solutions. Like, this is something that no other platform can provide you. Hats off to Shopify for making it so simple. Actually, hiring an expert in the past was a very difficult and complex problem, but not anymore, thanks to Shopify. So, today we learned how to contact the Shopify support team and how to hire a Shopify expert. Sure, I will be back with a lot more interesting Shopify videos in the near future. Till then, take care and goodbye.